Are you tired of spending your weekends mowing, watering, and trimming your front lawn, only for it to turn brown when the weather changes? Well, imagine having a lush, green, and picture-perfect yard all year round, without lifting a finger. Welcome to the 10 Artificial Grass Front Yard Ideas for 2025, where design meets convenience, and style meets sustainability. In 2025, artificial grass isn't just about replacing real grass, it's about redefining outdoor beauty. With today's technology, synthetic turf looks and feels more natural than ever before. It's UV-resistant, soft to the touch, and designed to handle everything, from kids playing to your weekend get-togethers. And the best part? It requires almost zero maintenance. No watering, no muddy mess, no more endless gardening. Just pure green beauty, 365 days a year. In this video, we'll explore 10 creative and modern front yard designs using artificial grass, from minimalist looks to elegant garden layouts, all packed with inspiration and real-life examples that you can easily recreate at home. So, whether you're dreaming of a clean modern entrance, a cozy green patio, or a luxurious Zen-inspired front yard, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the perfect idea to transform your home's curb appeal. Let's dive into the best artificial grass front yard ideas of 2025. Why artificial grass is trending in 2025. Before we jump into the design ideas, let's talk about why artificial grass is one of the hottest front yard trends of 2025. More and more homeowners are choosing synthetic turf because it's sustainable, stylish, and stress-free. With increasing water shortages and higher maintenance costs, natural lawns are becoming expensive to keep. Artificial grass, on the other hand, offers the same lush green look, without water, fertilizers, or constant care. But it's not just about saving time and money. Modern turf in 2025 looks incredibly realistic, with soft textures, multiple shades of green, and advanced UV protection that keeps it fresh year-round. Whether you live in a hot city or a rainy area, it always looks perfect. It's the ultimate combination of eco-friendly living and modern design, making your front yard beautiful, functional, and sustainable all at once. Idea number 1: Modern Minimalist Lawn. If you love clean lines and simplicity, the modern minimalist lawn is your go-to. This style focuses on balance and geometry. Think square or rectangular grass sections separated by stone or concrete tiles. The contrast between the green turf and neutral stone gives your front yard a sleek, high-end look. Add a few small potted plants or minimalist lighting fixtures along the edges, and you've got a space that feels calm, organized, and ultra-modern. Perfect for contemporary homes or small front yards where every detail counts. It's elegance through simplicity. Idea number 2: Artificial grass plus paver pathway. Want a front yard that feels both welcoming and stylish? Combine artificial grass with stone or marble pavers. Lay a stepping stone pathway through your green turf, leading up to your entrance or garden gate. This design not only looks elegant but also adds depth and structure to your space. You can play with materials, from natural stone to concrete slabs, and even mix in contrasting colors for a luxurious effect. It's a timeless design idea that turns your front yard into an inviting walkway that guests will love the moment they arrive. Idea number 3: Front yard garden with planter borders. If you want your front yard to feel alive and colorful, go for a turf plus planter combination. Start with artificial grass as your base and frame it with raised planters or flower beds. Choose bright, low-maintenance plants like succulents, lavender, or white roses. They'll add a touch of freshness against the green background. This look gives you the beauty of nature without the hassle of daily watering or trimming. It's perfect for homeowners who want a lush garden aesthetic without dealing with soil mess or grass patches. Add a small pathway or decorative edging around your planters, and your yard instantly feels vibrant and well-designed. Idea number 4: Green driveway design. Here's a bold one: your driveway can also be green. Use artificial grass between concrete or stone driveway tiles to create a modern eco-luxury look. The green lines between hard surfaces add softness and character to your home's exterior. It's practical, durable, and easy to clean. The synthetic turf handles car tires and foot traffic easily. No mud, no damage, no fading. This idea is a favorite among architects in 2025, especially for homes aiming for a clean and sustainable curb appeal. Idea number 5. Small front yard transformation. Don't have a big yard? No problem. Artificial grass works beautifully even in compact front spaces. Use light-colored turf to make your small yard look larger and brighter. Add a small wooden bench, vertical planters, or a mini water feature to make it feel cozy and inviting. This design is perfect for urban homes or villas with limited outdoor areas. Artificial grass instantly makes the space look fresh, clean, and welcoming, even if it's just a few square feet. It's proof that size doesn't matter, style does. Idea number 6. Artificial grass with decorative stones. Looking for something modern and eye-catching? Try combining artificial turf with decorative stones. Mix textures, soft green grass with white pebbles, gray gravel, or black stones, to create a striking visual contrast. You can design clean geometric shapes or flowing curves depending on your taste. This idea works perfectly for homeowners who love minimalist, low-maintenance landscaping that still makes a strong style statement. Tip: use edging strips to keep your stones and turf neatly separated for a clean, designer look. Idea number 7. Pathway lighting plus turf combo. Want your front yard to look amazing day and night? Add LED pathway lighting alongside your artificial grass. Install small solar-powered lights or warm-toned LEDs along your walkway, borders, or flower beds. When the sun goes down, your front yard will glow with a soft, inviting light, highlighting the fresh green turf perfectly. This not only improves nighttime visibility and safety, but also adds a luxurious touch to your home's exterior. It's a simple upgrade with a huge impact, elegant, energy efficient, and visually stunning. Idea number 8. Artificial grass patio extension. If your home has a front porch or small patio, extend it using artificial grass flooring for a seamless transition between your outdoor and indoor spaces. It instantly softens the look of your patio, making it feel more natural and comfortable. Add a few outdoor chairs, a coffee table, and some planters, and you've got the perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. This idea is ideal for homeowners who love functional outdoor spaces that look stylish yet remain low maintenance. Artificial grass adds that welcoming touch, turning a plain patio into a mini green lounge right at your doorstep. Idea number 9. Mixed texture front yard. If you love a designer, high-end look, then this one's for you, the mixed texture yard. This idea combines different materials like artificial grass, wooden decking, pebbles, and garden gravel to create a space that feels dynamic and luxurious. The key is contrast. Soft turf next to hard stone or warm wood makes your front yard visually interesting and elegant. You can use turf strips between wood decks, or surround grass patches with decorative stones for a layered, premium effect. This design looks stunning in modern homes and works beautifully with neutral color palettes and minimalist landscaping. It's perfect for those who want their front yard to look unique, artistic, and full of texture, without the headache of maintenance. Idea number 10. Zen garden front yard. Now, if peace and calm are what you want every time you step outside, the Zen garden design is a must-try. Inspired by Japanese simplicity, this front yard idea blends artificial grass, natural rocks, bamboo, and small water features like fountains or bowls. The combination of greenery and stone creates a soothing balance of nature and design. You can even add a few stepping stones or a small bonsai plant to enhance the tranquil feel. The result? A front yard that's peaceful, elegant, and perfect for quiet reflection, without any of the watering or trimming that real grass needs. This 2025 trend is all about mindful design, a space that looks beautiful and helps you unwind. And there you have it, 10 artificial grass front yard ideas for 2025 that prove you don't need constant maintenance to have a stunning outdoor space. From minimalist designs and garden borders to Zen retreats and driveway makeovers, each of these ideas shows just how versatile artificial turf can be. Artificial grass isn't just a trend, it's the future of smart, sustainable landscaping. It saves water, reduces effort, and keeps your home looking fresh and inviting all year long. So, which idea was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Would you go for a modern stone and turf look or a peaceful Zen-style garden? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love home design inspiration. And for premium quality artificial grass, expert installation, and custom landscaping solutions, visit fixitdesign.ae, your trusted destination for transforming outdoor spaces across Dubai and beyond. Because in 2025, your front yard doesn't just have to look good, it should stay green, clean, and timeless all year long.